my dear friends, Santosh here. Okay, yesterday we discussed about Indus Valley Civilization Society. Today my topic is Indus Valley Civilization Religion. Okay, Indus Valley Civilization Religion. Okay, here are 3 points which give all information about Indus Valley Civilization Religion. Okay, first point, its nature, whatever god and goddess they worship in that time. Okay, whatever way of worship they use in that time of Indus Valley. Okay, now first point, nature. Sandar religion is a specific type of stage in which orthodox rituals and spiritualism both are included, because all types of evidences are found from here. Okay, first we discuss our orthodox, meaning of orthodox. Okay, orthodox is a someone or a something that strictly adheres to the religious beliefs. For example, orthodox is a person who abides by all religious doctrine. Okay, it is not a monolithic religion, but they believed in multi-god system. Okay, meaning of monolithic. Monolithic is a rigid and homogeneous, not open to new ideas, like Indus Valley civilization people. Okay, main emphasis on the religion, orthodox qualities, religious rituals, totems, but due to lack of literary sources did not focus on spiritual aspects. These people believed in many god and goddess. Okay, now we discuss in small brief. Okay, religion of Indus Valley civilization indicate towards a developed religious system in which most of the indications seen related to present, but give to lack of literary sources didn't get the ideological aspects. But we can define the religious belief of Indus Valley civilization. For example, orthodox and progressive. Okay, progressive because of utilitarian and orthodox. They believe in worship of nature, believe in magic and totems, multi-god. In this civilization also seen the concept of ideological belief. Second point, god goddess. Mother goddess, also known as earth goddess and also called the goddess of fertility. We got many types of evidences are found from Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Okay, Pashupati, terracotta figure from Mohenjo-daro. Historians identified as a proto-Shiva. This statue is an yoga form in which depicted some other animals, for example, elephant, rhino, tiger, bull. Out of this end of civilization are found evidences of Linga Yoni. Okay, now we discuss in small brief. Okay, example of seal of Pashupati from Mohenjo-daro we get. It represents the concept of yoga and meditation. In this period we get the information of many god and goddess. For example, these gods well information of human beings and animals and trees. Okay, in form of human, Pashupati Shiva historical identified as a proto-Shiva. Okay, main goddess is mother goddess. These also called goddess of earth and also called the goddess of fertility. From these developed the concept of mother goddess. Okay, third point, way of worship. Animal worship. Utilitarian concept of Indus Valley civilization people. That's why they believed all the useful item as a god. For example, people worship, neem worship, etc. Okay, meaning of utilitarian. Okay, it is a theory of morality in a simple words. Utilitarianism is a view that the right thing to do is whatever is most useful. The word utilitarianism comes from the word utility, which means usefulness. In most forms of the utilitarianism, things that increase human well-being or happiness are called useful. Okay, humped bull, rhino, gharial, buffalo, elephant. Out of this, some imaginary animals also worshipped. Many heads at a single body of animal. A specific types of animal, body of sheep and head of elephant. Okay, now we discuss in small brief. Okay, from for example, from Mohenjo-daro, sequence of emerging a tree from the womb of lady that indicates about the concept of fertility. In this period, we get here many type of animal worship, in which most important humped bull and Shiva. In this period, people was scared tree of Indus, and tradition is continue of progress. It is the it is the seared at the both scientific and spiritual level. Like this, we say that the religion of Indus combined all form of religion, from orthodoxy to progressive nature, from worship of nature to magic and other totems. Okay, friends, thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like my videos, give a like and subscribe my channel. Okay, friends, thank you once again. Bye bye. See you again in my next video. Okay, thank you.